What's up, guys? I'm still out here. Just got done. Let me turn this amp down for a minute. You hear that noise? Something with the jack. I know it is. So anyways, I replaced these. Replace these. They're bulging. See them? Both of them were bulging. You can see the fucking bulge. They're gonna explode very soon. So I fucking replaced those bulging fucks with two brand new ones. I'm soldered in. Get the amp back up and running. But I got that sound. It'll be playing perfect. Sounds off. So it's something with the RCAs. It is something with the fucking RCAs. I mean, these did need replaced, don't get me wrong. They were gonna explode sooner or later. Got some new flat ones in. Soldered nice and good in there. Got the green light. So everything's running the way it should be. Just gotta figure out why. I gotta fix that bulb too. Gotta figure out what the fuck is going on with this now. So if it's not one thing, it's another. There you go. So, nothing. Oh, the sound popped off. Hold on. Let's get another song playing here. Oh, give me a fucking break. Come on. These fucking alligator clips. What a pain in the ass. Okay. So, let's get some music back on. Okay. So, we won't use this output. Let's go in this one. So, whatever the problem is, it's with what side? The right side. So, let's see here.
It's okay to do some things halfway, but not when it comes to managing your prescriptions.
Yeah, that's not bridged or nothing. There, I can hear it.
Visit CVS today. Savings vary. Not all patients eligible for savings. Ask pharmacists for details.
See, it's definitely this. It's definitely that. Right here. The RCA jack. Something's not fucking right. Take it off here. Take this fucking amp off again.
I mention my homies inside of my song cause I know they be trapping a lot. I can't keep taking these pills when I'm in the trenches, they say I be capping a lot. I know a nigga who say he get rich off the dope, but I know he be acting a lot.
See, it's working perfect.
They took down the city, but niggas be lacking a lot. Yeah. That shit was awful, nigga.
put it in the other side. See, as soon as you do that, you hear the noise starting. Huh. There's a ground issue with the RCAs right here. Huh. Well, I gotta figure this out because I didn't waste time fucking soldering in new caps for nothing. I gotta get these silicone down too, so they don't get vibration and fucking break out. But yeah, I got them done. Still working on the what you call it? Oh, I made the brace, the bracket. There it is. So I hit it with some fucking. I hit it with some clear shit. It's pretty much dry now. Hold on. Put it in. There we go. There we go, guys. Now we can drop a 12 in here. All right, man. So this box will be able to use a 15 or 12, interchangeable. We will drill them out and thread them in the back. I got all my spots marked. So I don't really want that sitting down in there, but that's it. So that's the way they should make fucking boxes, but you can hear that sound. So there's definitely watch. Some type of grounding issue, so I'm gonna look into this amp more. We're gonna fix this fucking thing. And I'll get back on the Phoenix Gold, but I'm gonna call it tonight because I got the bench down here from the attic and all this bullshit. I'm just getting fucking tired. Let me shut this door. I'll show you guys my got a new decal in today. Let me give a shout out to 74 Midwest Bass because he has one of these amps. Yes, sir. Stetson. So I got one of them decals. That's new. So we're getting there. She's almost filled up there. The back's pretty much done. I don't really want to trash the back with a ton. I will scatter them out between here and here. And this side's about done too. So we're going to keep them moving. I'm loving it. It's fun, man. I got Orion, everything over on this side I got on the other side except for Stinger. Maybe I'll just cop another Stinger one. So, all right, man. Well, I got a Rockford Punch there too. I don't have on the other side. An old school. Yeah, man, the bass ride is coming in. Looking good, looking good. So, with that being said, guys, oh, and I was at the hardware store and I got me a brand new jug of that shit. So now it's time to call it the night. I am fucking exhausted. It's been a long day and I'm tired. Peace out.